Hey guys, my name is Max and welcome to my movie channel. In today's video we're going to be unboxing one DVD and two Blu-rays that I picked up. So let's get into it and see what we got. I remember that I know what they all are. This one I actually ordered like probably a month and a half to like 2 months ago, and it arrived and I just haven't opened it yet. And that is 8mm with Nicolas Cage. You also got James Gandolfini and Joaquin Phoenix in this movie. A very good movie. Very creepy. If you guys haven't seen it, I highly recommend it. Comes in one of those double-sided things, though. I don't like it when they do that. I guess one side is full screen and the other side is probably widescreen, if I had to guess. But 8mm. If you guys have seen it, you know how creepy it is, especially for a mainstream movie. You got Joaquin Phoenix plays a guy named Max, you know. And you know who else is in that movie? Was that the bad guy from John Wick, the first John Wick? No, it wasn't the first John Wick. I don't really remember. Which he was in one of the John Wicks. That's all I know. But yeah, he plays the one of the bad guys in there. Anyways, let's see. Now this one I just recently purchased. It just came in. Oops, did I just flash my... No, I didn't. Okay, so we're good. And wow, look at how nicely they wrapped it up. That's actually really good. I'm gonna leave them a good review. I like it when they do that. In fact, I'm actually gonna use this. Look at that. You just slip the movies in here and pop it like this. I'm gonna reuse this for when I sell a movie online. Anyways, guys, we got two films in here, two Blu-rays. The first one I know absolutely nothing about. It's The Barn. I do know that this is available for free on YouTube. If you guys want to check it out. This is like a throwback to the 1980s. Again, I don't know if it's any good or not. But for some reason it came bundled up with the other movie that I bought, which is a movie that I really wanted. So we got The Barn, and the whole reason why I bought this was because I wanted to get American Guinea Pig Sacrifice. This was the only one I was missing from the American Guinea Pig series. I now have the full series. Yeah, this is the Blu-ray. Now, oops, can I even show this? Yeah, it's okay. Now, basically, this is I've seen parts of this one, and it's really disgusting. Look, this thing's already falling off. I'll just take it off. Yeah, I've seen parts of this one. It's really disgusting. This one was directed by a woman named Poison Rose or something like that. Poison Rogue. Yeah. So, yeah, it's basically this guy just messes himself up really badly. He does it all to himself. Life hurts more than death. I remember some of the dialogue. I haven't seen this whole entire movie, but I do remember I watched like maybe the first 5-10 minutes, and the dialogue was pretty strange. I'm not gonna lie. But you know me, an American Guinea Pig. I love pretty much all the movies. You know, Bouquet of Guts and Gore is amazing. The American Guinea Pig Song of Solomon is very amazing. I love it. Have a review coming up. Actually, I already have it done. I just have to upload it to YouTube. Really good movie. So I'm happy to have this. Also, of course, you got Bloodshot. Bloodshot was okay. Anyways, guys, looking forward to watching these movies. Again, let's go through it real quick. You got 8mm, Nicolas Cage, James Gandolfini, Joaquin Phoenix, a lot of big names, but a very, very disturbing film, I'll tell you what. You got The Barn, kind of like a throwback to the 1980s. Don't really know what it's about. I'll check it out, though. And then, of course, we have American Guinea Pig Sacrifice. Really looking forward to this one. I've seen like maybe 5 or 10 minutes, and then I just turned it off, but yeah, I'm gonna watch the whole thing. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.